What's up, Royal Squad? So today we're going to be unboxing this MotoSpeed gaming keyboard. It's the CK82. You can find it on Amazon. So it has the RGB color backlight. And these are some of the things that is included with it. It has suspended keycaps, RGB mixed lights, in the box it comes with whatever that was. It was in Chinese writing. This is the manual that tells you how to operate the keyboard. It tells you all the key functions and everything you need to know. And on the back, this is what that looks like. Okay, so let's get into the juicy part. It comes with these styrofoam pieces to protect the ends and the sides of the keyboard. This is the overview of the keyboard. If you're wondering, this keyboard was $50 plus taxes on Amazon. If you want the link, comment below and I'll let you give it to you. Okay, so this is her. It also came with a keycap, as you can see. And this is the lights, and I'm going to dim the light now so you can see it better. And yeah, that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out. Y'all can finish watching the rest of the video. Bye. I just wanted to come back in and say that this is not all the functions. I was just messing around with it, and later on I looked at the manual and so if you want an updated video, let me know. All right, y'all, bye.